Good afternoon. Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to Writers Plus Academy. Welcome to another ability test. Just a minute. Sorry about that. Okay, welcome to another ability test. Afternoon, we're going to be looking at classification this afternoon, how we classify things. So welcome again, parents, students, everyone, to our PEP ability test. It's for grade 4, 5, and 6. Classification, we're going to be looking at classification this afternoon. What is classification? Classification is the process of sorting things into groups based on shared features or characteristics. What they have in common. Now, look at this, and you tell me what we have in common here. 1, apple, banana, grape, orange, mango. What do you think they have in common? All of these. What do you think they have in common? All of these are fruits. You would agree with me? They are fruits. Why do we say they are fruits? What they have in common, they are fruits because they grow on trees or plants. What else they have in common? Why would you say they are fruits? Well, most of them do have seeds, well, except banana, so to speak. And all of them tend to be sweet. All of them tend to be sweet. They all tend to be sweet. So we can classify them and say that apple, banana, grape, orange, and mangoes, they are all fruits because they grow on plants or grow on vine, the grape, and they grow on tree, and they are all sweet. So they share common features, they share common characteristics. Now you look at this one and tell me. Number 2, lion, tiger, leopard, cheetah, jaguar. All of these are animals, not just animals, they are wild animals. What are some of their common features or characteristics? They live in the wild. What else? What are some of the other characteristics you can have? They are all large creatures. What else? They all have strong bodies, right? Strong legs, sharp teeth, and powerful body. So we classify them as wild animal. No, so when you're looking at characteristics, when you're looking at classification, you look at their characteristic, what they have in common. What they have in common. Now look at this one. All right. Now look at this one. Let me erase here so that you can see the board clearly. All right, so we are classifying things. We are putting them in groups. And you have to tell me the group name or the names of the groups. All right, let me go again now. Look at this one now. All right. River, lake, sea, ocean, stream, pond. What would you classify these? These are all water bodies. All water bodies. Right? That basically all contain water, the river, water, lake, sea, all water bodies. Number 2 here now. All right. Violin. Then you have piano. Guitar. Trumpet. Drum. How would you classify all of these? These are musical instruments. All right. Musical instrument. Now your turn. It's your turn now. I'm going to read. Remember I said that come prepare to write in the afternoon. Come prepare to write. So you're going to have, I'm going to give the series and you're going to tell me the group name. Okay, let's go. Pizza, burger, salad, that's number 1. Put number 1. Pizza, burger, salad, pasta, sandwich. Give a group name. They are all right. Number 2. Shirt, trousers, skirt, jacket. Give a group name. Number 3, Canada, Brazil, France, Japan, Australia. Give me a name, a group name. Next one, number 4, South America, North America, Europe, Africa, Australia, Asia, all right, Antarctica. Give a group name for that one as well. That's number 4. Number 5. Number 5, triangle, square, circle, pentagon, octagon, give a group name for that one as well. Next one, number 6, horse, pig, cow, sheep, donkey. Give a name for that one as well. That's number 6. Number 7, gold, silver, pearl, copper, bronze. All right, 7 of them. Let me see what you have now. 7 of them. Number 1, let's go it again. Give one name, a group name for all of the sequence that I'm giving you. Pizza, burger, salad, pasta, sandwich. Those are all food. You can classify them as food. Number 2, shirt, trousers, skirt, jacket, and that is clothing. Next one, number 3, Canada, Brazil, France, Japan, Australia. Those are countries. South America, North America, Europe, Africa, Asia, Antarctica, Australia, and those are continents, the continents. Number 5, triangle, square, circle, pentagon, octagon, and these are all shapes. Number 6, horse, pig, goat, sheep, donkey, all animals. And number 7, gold, silver, pearl, copper, and those are all metal. All right? Those are all metals. So, classification is grouping things because they have many elements in common, many characteristics in common. All right? Like the animals, most of them have 4 legs. They have different, although they're animals, they have similar characteristics. They make sounds and all of that. So when we look at classification, we are grouping animals or objects based on their common features or characteristics. All right, so we're moving along to the next section now. This time, I'm going to give you another activity. All right, that you're going to look, I'm going to give you a series that you're supposed to be able to tell the one that is different. It doesn't have the similar characteristic, that one is different. So I'm going to give you about 4 or 5 of them in sequence. One is different from the rest. You're to identify that one. All right, let's go. Let's go on the board. Let's go on the board. Alright. Which one does not belong in each group? Which one does not belong in each group? Number one, you have lion, tiger, lion, tiger, leopard, eagle, and the next one is jaguar. All right? Which one does not belong? You have lion, tiger, leopard, eagle. This one, eagle, does not belong. All the rest are wild animals. Eagle is a bird. All right. Next one. Number two. Horse, pig, goat, lion, pig, goat, lion, donkey. Which one does not belong to that group? Horse, pig, goat, lion, donkey. And again, all of these are basically domesticated animals or animals that are friendly. We live with them. This one is a wild animal, lion. Number three. All right. Number three is gold, silver, sand, copper, and that one's copper, pearl. Which one is different? Gold, silver, sand, copper, pearl. All the others are metals except sand. So you have to be able to choose the odd one. Look at this one. Pen, pencil, crayon, pen, pencil, crayon, paper. Pen, pencil, let me erase this one. Pen, pencil, crayon. These are for marking. This one is paper, this one is different. So when we look at finding the odd one, we are looking at the one that is different. Another activity. Another activity I'm going to be doing. All right. This one. you are going to look at these and think of another object or animal that could go in that list. For example, so let me give you the instruction. Think of another item which or that belongs to the same group. All right, think of another item that belongs to the same group. Banana, apple, mango, all right, pear, okay, let me give another one. Banana, apple, mango, grape. Can you think of another one that could add to this list? The same characteristic. Think of another item that belongs to the same group that would have the same characteristics. And if you say what? June plum, think of another, it could be a fruit, it would be a fruit. All of these are fruit, so you'd have to think of another fruit. Banana, apple, mango, grape, June plum, what else? What other fruit you could have? You could think of any other. I say June plum, you can put another one. All right, look at this one. Carrot, pumpkin, beetroot, carrot, pumpkin, beetroot, cucumber. What could you add to this list? Think of another. All of these are considered vegetable. In most cases, they are considered, sometimes people think about pumpkin, but basically they are considered vegetables. So can you think of another vegetable that you could put there? You can have turnip, other vegetable you could put there as well. All right? Carrot, pumpkin, beetroot, cucumber, you could have turnip or think of another one. 3. You have hammer, screwdriver, wrench. What else could you put there? A hammer, a screwdriver, wrench. These are all tools that you can use in your home. So you'd have to find another tool that you could use there. And probably you could use like pliers. Or think of another one for yourself. Number 4. All right. You could look at rose, violet, hibiscus, and you could find another one, rose, violet, hibiscus. So they're all flowers, so you could find another one. So the idea is to find another one that would add to the list that would fit the group. That would fit the group. Add one to the list that would fit the group. So we're looking at classification. And classification means putting things in group. Grouping them based on common features. Based on common features, you would group them. Another activity. Another activity. All right. Okay. Okay, this one I'll ask you. Number one, all insects have 6 legs. And that this is for true or false. All insects, write the answer on your paper. All insects have all insects have 6 legs. Remember, true or false. Number 2, Monday, Wednesday, Friday belong to a group of days. True or false? Monday, Wednesday, Friday belong to a group of days. Next one. Number 3. Butter, cheese, yogurt belong to the same food group. Butter, cheese, yogurt belong to the same food group. True or false? Number 4. Grass, oak, maple, pine are all types of trees. Grass, oak, maple, pine are all types of trees. True or false? Number 5, a table has 4 legs and is used for sitting. True or false? Number 5, a table has 4 legs and is used for sitting. True or false? So let's go it again. True or false, 5 of them. Number 1, all insects have 6 legs. That one is true. Number 2, Monday, Wednesday, Friday belong to a group of days. And that one is true. Number 3, butter, cheese, yogurt belong to the same food group, and that is true. Next, grass, oak, maple, pine are all types of trees. That is false. Grass is not a tree. That's a fibrous root. That's not a tree. Number 5, a table has 4 legs, yes, and it's used for sitting, no. So that one is false. All right, so next one, you're going to do this one in your book as well. You're going to do this one in your book. I'm going to write the name, the category. Use the categories So you have 1, fruits, animals, vegetables, transportation, and the last one, flowers. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. And I'm going to, number 1. You're going to put the answer, one of these. Remember to write in your book. Number 1, a mango is a type of, put the answer number 1. Number 2, a lion belongs to the category of, choose one from the list. The answer can be fruits, animals, vegetables, transportation, and flowers. All right. Number 3, a carrot is a dash. Number 4, a rose is a dash. Number 5, a train is a form of. Number 5, a rose is a dash. Number 6, a train is a form of dash. Number 7, a banana is a. And number 8, a dog belongs to the category of. All right, let's go them again. All right, let's go them again. Number 1, a mango is a type of fruit. Number 2, a lion belongs to the category of animal. Number 3, a carrot is a vegetable. Number 4, an eagle is a type of bird. If you don't see bird up there, you put it in the animal category. A rose is a flower. 6, a train is a form of transportation. 7, a banana is a fruit. 8, a dog belongs to the category of animal. If you get all of them right, great job. All right. So we're just going to revise, and that will be for this evening. We're just going to revise what we have done. All right. Just revising what we have done. A lesson on classification. Classification is the process of sorting things into groups based on shared features or characteristics. Again, classification is the process of sorting things into groups based on shared features or characteristics. You look at the size, you look at the habitat where they live, you can look at their material that they're made up of, you can look at their color, you can look at the shape, right? So if you're thinking about shape, you can think about circles, triangles, square, they are all shapes. Size, you can look at size. Are they all small? Small, large, tiny. You can look at how they function, what they eat, right? Is the thing used for writing, sitting, or what? The material that is made up of. And as I said, the land. So we look at all of them and see which group they are in. They can be animals, they can be birds, they can be used for transportation, rivers, mountains. They have common features, right? So when you classify things, they are in common features. Are they all edible? Do they grow on trees? Do they live in the wild? So you're classifying them. One of the most important parts of classification is for you to be able to spot the wrong one or the one that does not belong to the group. So if I tell you about Mary, Jane, Pamela, Justin, and Carol, I'm giving you all girls' names except Justin. So all of them with the girl's name. So you have to be able to spot the odd one or the incorrect one that does not belong to the group. Right? If I say school, church, bank, hospital, and I say river, right away you know the river doesn't belong because all the others are buildings. Let's go again. Bible, storybook, entire, laptop, dictionary. Which one does not belong? Laptop. So you have to be able to spot the one that does not belong to the category. All of them would have certain features. They are books. You can read for them. The laptop is an electronic device that we use to find out all the information, but that one is different from them. So you have to be able to spot the difference. And at some time, I think maybe the next class, tomorrow class, I am going to give you some activities again. And this time I'm going to give you activity based on observation. Last week we were looking at observation. We looked at similarities and differences. And today we are looking at classification. These are important thinking skills that you need to know if you're going to be able to, if you want to do very well in the exam. Thinking skills. You should be able to observe details, minor details. Right? Detail should be able to, for example, if you're looking for something in a bundle of things, you should be able to search diligently and find something that ought not to be there then. So you can look at detail. Some people, for example, as I was saying the last time, they are in a building or in a bank, and someone let's put a scenario here. If you're in a bank and someone come in the bank and say to you, hands up, give me all the money. You give them all the money and they rob other people in the bank, and within maybe an half an hour or so, a police come by and they say, Justin, could you describe the robber? He has on a pink shirt or a hat. That would not be good enough for the police to catch him. You would have to say something that he has a scar, right? Or his eyes. So when you're looking for observing, you must be able to observe details of how the thing look or the person looks, right? So observation skill is one of skills. Looking at similarities and differences. These are two important skills again. You comparing, right? Comparing and contrasting. You have to be able, when you compare, you look at how they look alike. When you contrast, you look at how things are different. And then today, we have been looking at classification, grouping things. Tomorrow, we're going to do an overview and a little oral quiz with the 3 thinking skills. Observation skills, similarities and differences, those skills, comparing and contrasting skills, and classification skills. Okay, that's the end of our ability test. All right, so we'll quickly go over to our mathematics. Students, remember to subscribe and to like the channel. And to share it with your friends, and share it with your friends. Now, last class, we were looking at describing patterns and sequence and looking at some key concepts. We're going to continue along that line today. All right. We're going to continue along that line to see how much you remember, how much you remember that we were doing sequence and pattern. Mathematics. Sequence. And pattern. Sequence and patterns. Now, sequence and patterns are important because sequence help you to find things easily, to understand things easily because they are arranged up in an orderly way. When things are all over the place, because your brain is actually organized. And so we as human beings, we have to be organized to be able to find things and understand things. The world is made up of patterns. Some stripe, some polka dot, all sorts of pattern in the world. The clothes that you wear, they are filled with patterns. And so mathematics is not different. Mathematics made up of pattern too. Now, we have done some of these last week, so we're going to be just revising again. What is a sequence? What is a sequence? All right? And I want you to answer these now. You're going to answer them in your books. Write up sequence and patterns. What is a sequence? And I'm going to give you the options. And you're going to write them in your books. We went through them last week, and this week you're just going to answer them. What is a sequence? A random set of numbers. B, a list of numbers in order that follows a rule. C, one number only. D, a word problem. And the question I'm asking, what is a sequence? A random set of a random set of numbers. B, a list of numbers in order that follows a rule. C, one number only. D, a word problem. Two, in the sequence, number 2, in the sequence 2, 4, 6, 8. 6 is called a rule. 6 is called a pattern. 6 is called a term, or is it a sequence? So look at this sequence and tell me what we call the 6. Number 3. Number 3, which sequence shows a square number pattern? Which sequence shows a square number pattern? You have, that's number 3. You have 2, 4, 6, 8, that's A. B, you have 1, 4, 9, 16. C, you have 5, 10, 15, 20. And D, you have 4, 7, 4, 7. All right, so that's number 3. Which sequence shows a square number pattern? Number 4. Which comes next in the sequence? You have 5, 10, 15, 20. Which number will come in the sequence next? You have options: A, 22, B, 25, C, 30, and D, 40. Which comes next in the sequence? 5, 10, 15, 20. You have A, 22, B, 25, C, 30, and D, 40. Number 5. Which rule describes the sequence? 50, 45, 40, 30. Which rule describes the sequence? 50, 45, 40, 35. You subtract 5. That's rule 1. That's A. Rule 2. A, you add 5. B, you subtract 5. C, multiply by 5. D, divide by 5. Next one. Number 6. Write them down, students, so that you can look at them. Which sequence show a zigzag pattern? A, 3, 6, 9, 12. B, 20, 15, 10, 5. C, 5, 10, 8, 13, 11. D, 2, 4, 8, 16. Let's go that one again. Let's go that one again. Which one shows a zigzag pattern? 3, 6, 9, 12. B, 20, 15, 10, 5. C, 5, 10, 8, 13, 11. And the next one, D, is 2, 4, 8, 16. Number 7. Which rule? What is the rule for the sequence? 2, 4, 8, 16. What is the sequence? What is the rule for the sequence? 2, 4, 8, 16. That's number 7. 2, 4, 8, 16. Number 8. Listen to the sequence now. Which sequence is a repeating pattern? Which sequence is a repeating pattern? A, 1, 2, 3, 4. B, 4, 7, 4, 7, 4. C, 10, 20, 30. D, 9, 16, 25. Number 9. Number 9. Which type of pattern pattern is shown in these numbers? You tell me. Which type of pattern is shown? You have 100, 50, 25, 12.5. Which type of pattern is shown in these numbers, the sequence? 100, 50, 25, 12.5. A, subtraction. B, division. C, repeating. D, irregular. Number 10. Which sequence is irregular? Listen carefully. Which sequence is irregular? A, 2, 4, 6, 8. Is that one irregular? B, 5, 10, 15, 20. C, 1, 4, 7, 15, 18. D, 3, 6, 12, 24. Number 10 again. Which sequence is irregular? 2, 4, 6, 8. That's A. B, 5, 10, 15, 20. C, 1, 4, 7, 15, 18. D, 3, 6, 12, 24. All right, these are short answers. You're going to put them in. Number 11. Write the next two terms. Number 11, write the next two terms. 4, 8, 12. Then dash, dash. All right, you're going to put in the next two terms. Your comma. Put them in. Number 12. Write the missing number. I'm giving you some numbers. I'm going to leave out 1. You're going to write the missing number. 1, 4, 9, dash, the missing number, 25. 12 again, write the missing number. 1, 4, 9, dash, 25. I'm giving you 3 more and we're finished for this evening. 13, write the rule for the sequence. 30, 25, 20, 15. What is the rule? Are they adding? Are they subtracting? Are they multiplying? All right. Then this one, number 14, identify the pattern type. What type of pattern is this? 30, 25, 20, 15. Number 13, write the rule for the sequence. 30, 25, 20, 15. That's the rule. Number 14, identify the pattern type. 6, 18, 54. And the last one, number 15, write the next term. 64, 32, 16. Write the next term. 64, 32, 16. Let's go now for the answers. All right. Number 1. What is a sequence? And we say a list of numbers in order that follow a rule. And that was B for that answer. Number 2. In the sequence 2, 4, 6, 8, the number 6 is called a term. Number 3. Which sequence shows a square number pattern? And that one would be 1, square it. 4, 2 multiplied by 2 give you 4. 3 multiplied by 3 give you 9. And 4 multiplied by 4 give you 16. That's a square pattern. Number 4. What comes next in the sequence? You have 5, 10, 15, 20. So the next one is 25. And what are they doing there? They're adding 5. Number 5. Which rule describes the pattern? 50, 45, 40, 35. They are subtracting 5 each time. Number 6. Which sequence show a zigzag pattern? And that would be, zigzag pattern would be 5, 10, 8, 13, 11. That's a zigzag pattern. Number 7. What is the rule for this? 2, 4, 8, 16. And they are multiplying by 2 each time. 2 times 2 give you 4. 2 4s give you 8. 2 8 give you 16. Number 8. Which sequence is a repeating pattern? You have 1, 2, 3, 4. That's A. B. 4, 7, 4, 7, 4. C. 10, 20, 30. D. 9, 16, 25. And the answer is B. 4, 7, 4, 7, 4. All right. Next one, number 9. Which type of pattern is shown? 100, 50, 25, 12.5. What do you have for that? That one is division. They are dividing by 2 each time. Number 9, which type of pattern is shown? You have 10, 50, 25, 12.5. Number 10, which one is irregular? You have 2, 4. You have 2, 4, 6, 8. That's okay. 5, 10, 15, 20. That's okay. 1, 4, 3, 15, 18. That's irregular. So you have an irregular pattern. Let's go down to the short answer section. Write the 2 next term, number 11. 4, 8, 12. What you notice, they're adding 4 each time. So the next one would be 16 and the next one would be 20. All right. Number 12. Write the missing number. They have 1, 4, 9, 25. And that is going to be 1 multiplied by 1 give you 1. 2 multiplied by 2 give you 4. 3 multiplied by 3 give you 9. 4 multiplied by 4 give you 16. So your answer should be 16. Number 13. Write the rule for the sequence 30, 25, 20, 15. So they are subtracting 5 each time. Subtracting 5 from the previous term. All right. Number 14. Identify the pattern. What kind of pattern you have for number 14? You have 6, then you have 18, then you have 54. They are multiplying by what? 3. It's a multiplying pattern. 3 6 is 18. And that is 18 again. First 12. Right. So it's a multiplication pattern. Number 15. Write the next term. You have 64, 32, 16. What are they doing there? And that is a division pattern. They are dividing by 2. 2 into 64 give you 32. 2 into 32 give you 16. And 2 into 16 give you 8. 15 of them. So we're going to round up. We're going to go again tomorrow because I want you to understand. We're going to be doing some worded form tomorrow. Because I want you to understand pattern. Remember the 4 concepts. Sequence, pattern, term, and rule. Pattern, or anyway, it doesn't matter which one you say first. Pattern, sequence, term, rule. Those 4 concepts. It's important that you know them. They'll be coming in the PEP exam. I am sure of that. And so you must know how to find the terms, how to find the rules, look at patterns, and look at sequence. Tomorrow we are going to be doing similar thing, but we're going to be doing more worded forms. All right? Remember to like, to subscribe, to tell your friends about it. All of what I'm giving you will be coming on the PEP exam, both the ability test and the mathematics test. The more equipped you are, the more prepared you are, the better you'll be able to do the exam. Patterns, rules, sequence, those are coming on the exam. These are thinking skills that you need to know. Remember, this program is for you. It's all about you. Have a good evening. Thank you.
Wow.